Good afternoon, student. My name is Vanna and my college name is Satyam Institute of Management and Technology. And today topic is Internet working, advantages, disadvantages, applications of an Internet, how they used on Internet. And class is BCA fourth semester web designing. And then now we'll discuss about Internet. Then now tell what Internet. Internet is a vast network that connect all over the world. Internet is a network like then we send message one person to second one person, then we use internet is a helpful for our human being. They easily send the message and connect the person to far away from them. Then now internet people share information like share files, share share songs, share music. Then communicate anywhere internet connections. Then it is known as a internet. Then next discuss about the diagram of internet, how they work on it. Then now we'll discuss about the working of internet. Now they take first computer and second computer. Then person send message first computer to second computer. How they send message to first computer to second computer. First person send message. First person send file or any message through internet. Internet provides routers, switches on it. Then the internet is present on it, or network is present on it. Then the message sent on other persons or other PC. Then the internet or networks not present on it or time or not internet connection, then message not sent to other person. Then the internet provider on it, then message sent first person to second person, and second person accept the message, and then they reply on this message. This diagram tells how the working of internet, how the communication of two person, how that tell about which terms or routers or terms provided to share the information on it. Then next tell about advantages of an internet. Advantages like where internet use and what benefits provide on peoples. First is news updation. When we update the news, then internet also used to update the news on internet. Then time consuming activities like when we search any topic, search any music, search any other activities, then internet is also used on it. Then best source and education. Internet is also used in education like we will search about notes, PPTs, presentation, video conferencing lectures on with the help of internet. Then internet is also used in business opportunities. Then we make business, and then they tell my business website online. Then internet also used in business opportunities. Next, the internet is also used in job seeking platform. Like when person looks jobs in online, they easily search and find the jobs and jobs on it. It is also used in job seeking platform. Next is it is also used in online newspapers. Like then we tell what type of news is present on online. Then easily we search and take on it and read on it this newspaper. Entertainment. Internet is also used in entertainment like when we search any music like Punjabi, Hindi, then internet also help to search this music. Then next, download software. Internet is also used to download the software. When internet is provided, then we easily install the software or applications on a computer. Internet is also used in online chat like we send message Like for example, we send message sent from WhatsApp. Then internet is provided, then easily send the message on first person to second person. Also, then there is a different terms and provide what different terms provide. Then the internet use and advantages provide on internet. Then next, disadvantages of an internet. Disadvantages, hacking. First is hacking. Now you know about everything provided in internet, but you don't know कि all information hack on other persons. This is the main disadvantages of hacking. Wrong information next, कि wrong information. This is the second disadvantages of wrong information. Then now we search any news on internet. Any time this information is not true, but a fake person upload this news on internet. This is the next disadvantage of wrong informations. Next is face-to-face communications are endangered. Endangered means face-to-face communication, just video conferencing. You don't know about the other person, but they chatting on it. But is it disadvantages, main disadvantage of internet? Negative impact of family communication. Negative effect, how to negative effect on family communication, like people, person or children every time to spend on internet or mobile. Then this is the main disadvantages of an internet. Next is applications of an internet. Application like where internet is used on each and every phase and each and every times. First is smartphones. In smartphones, internet is also used in like sharing information, searching music, searching PDF. You also use in smartphones. Next, electronic device. When any electronic device uses, then we use in internet use also. Next, industrial internet. Industrial internet is also used in industry. Industry like when person is working on a company or any business, then internet is also used on it. Smart cities. Internet is also used in smart cities. Smart cities like colonies, flats. These areas also people use in internet. Next, the next have smartphones. Next, the internet is also used in smartphones. Smartphones like tablets or smartphones और अपने iPhones उसमें सब internet use करें. Next is smart grids. Smart grids, when we show the graph and check what data is increasing day by day. Also using internet, with the help of internet, we can easily check the information of smart grids. Next is major applications. Internet is also used in banking like information stored in persons, other data. For next is internet also using booking, online shopping के लिए यूज़ करें. Next is internet is next application. Internet is also used in automated digital technology. Then we search any technologies, search any versions, then we easily check on it, this software. Thank you so much, student. Today lecture here done, and then any problem on this lecture, so discuss about me. Thank you so much.